Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete saved passwords from Google Chrome browser. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To delete saved password from Google Chrome browser, click on three dot icon on upper right corner, then click on settings, click on autofill and passwords, click on Google Password Manager. You will find all your saved passwords in Google Chrome, and you can delete your password one by one. Click on the item what you want to delete, give your computer password. Now click on OK. Look, this is the password, and if you want to delete this password, just click on delete button. In this way, you can delete one by one all of your passwords, or which password you want to delete. You can delete individually. But if you want to delete all of your passwords, then go to three dot icon on upper right corner and then go to history. Click on history. Now click on clear browsing data and check everything and go to advanced tab. Select the time range all time and uncheck browsing history, downloads, cookies, everything. Only check passwords and other sign-in data. Click on clear data and it will remove all your saved passwords in Google Chrome. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.